Hey traders, so today I'll be talking to you about the weekly market analysis for next week. You can see that over here we have DXY. We have a push down, breaking previous structure over here. Prices came back, make a lower high, make another lower low, and in this case we have a breakup towards the upside. So you can see that previous structure has been broken. Prices came back down, unable to break this level. You can see that there is a support zone over here, and we should see a potential upside move again for DXY, at least to the $94. So we have this span over here where we can look to buy DXY. So next we have the Aussie CHF. You can see that we have a descending trend line over here, and we also have a zone over here where prices has been rejecting. So if we use the Fibonacci retracement level 2, we can see that prices are rejecting the 50% Fibonacci retracement level. So dropping down to the lower time frame, we have a potential double bottom over here. We have a push down, and prices made this neckline over here, comes back down to retest previous low, and we are actually looking for an upside move towards potentially previous high, which is here. Next we have CADCHF. You can see that we have an ascending trend line over here where prices got rejected several times, and also we have a confluence level of structure right here. So you can see that prices got rejected once, twice, thrice, 4 times, and the 5th time over here. So overall we are bearish bias on this market, and how we look to enter this market would be using the Fibonacci retracement tool. You can see that there is a 38.2% level here, which coincides with previous structure. So looking for a retracement towards this level, and hopefully volume drops while approaching our level, and look for rejection candles over here. After which, execute your favorite entry technique and look for a take profit at this zone, like this. Next we have Pound Aussie. So this week we have really bearish momentum for pound dollars across the board. So we're actually hoping that we can execute a bet pattern, a bullish bet pattern on the lower time frame to catch an upside move, but prices just destroyed the support zone. So pretty straightforward over here. We have a downtrend, and how we look to enter this trade will be a breakdown retest. You can see that our support level has been broken, and what we need to see would be a retest onto previous structure on the lower time frame. So similarly, we'll be using the volume tool. As prices approach our zone, we would like to see a drop in momentum and look for bearish price action, like a bearish engulfing candle or a 3-bar reversal for an entry towards previous low over here. Next we have the Pound Canadian. You can see that we have an ascending trend line here and a structural level over here where prices got rejected several times. So since prices broke the ascending trend line, we are looking for selling opportunities, but prices did not break this level as of yet. So what we can expect in the next few days would be prices coming down to retest this zone, comes back up to retest this confluence zone, and we look for selling opportunities over here with our take profit at previous support over here. And of course TP2 would be at the lowest zone here. So we expect a bounce from this level, pushing prices up towards our entry zone, and look for selling opportunities. Like on the lower time frame, we can look for momentum slowing down and look for bearish price action. So similarly for Pound CHF, you can see that we are bearish bias. We have an ascending trend line over here, and prices just broken the support level over here. So we have a move like this, breaks down, retest onto this structure over here. So this zone is in confluence with a Fibonacci retracement level of the 38.2% as well as the 50% level. So we are definitely looking for ways to short this market at this level. driving prices down towards previous support at the 1.124 level of support. So we have a series of pound pairs bearing bearish bias, and please trade the setups that is most favorable. Next up, we have the New Zealand dollar. We have prices making higher highs and higher lows. And right we have now is prices coming back to retest this crucial level. So dropping down to the lower time frame on the 4 hours, you can see that we have a potential godly pattern over here. Completion at D leg will be the 786. However, we can wait for prices to retrace deeper towards our X zone, such that our confluence level will be at this level over here. So look for buying opportunities when prices comes to this level, potentially pushing prices towards previous high right here. Next we have dollar yen. We have a nice neckline structure over here, and prices are in a consolidation inside a triangle. So we are looking for breakout on either side. Typically it will be looking like this, breaks out, retest, and it should drive prices towards the next level here. And for bearish opportunities would be a breakdown, making sure that we invalidate this level of structure, comes back dark to retest either this level or this level over here. So lastly, we have gold. We have a push phase, and prices came back down to retest this level of structure. So you can see that we have a 38.2% Fibonacci retracement level here, and prices are in a triangle, or rather a descending trend line. So looking for a breakout towards the upside, making sure that it makes a higher high as compared to this level, and have an entry upon the retracement. And highly likely you can see gold going back to $2,000 again, and potentially retesting previous high. So that marks the end of the weekly market analysis with Trade Like a Pro. And if you like what you see, kindly hit the like and subscribe button. This is my YouTube channel. You can see that there are a few videos on how you can actually use multiple time frame analysis to help you with your entries, and also better approach to the market using indicators like volume and basic price action structures like G-bar reversals or engulfing candles, or even inside bar. So if you have any question, please feel free to drop me a direct message on my Instagram, and I will try my best to reply you as soon as possible.